Think and answer. What is the longest word in the dictionary? Let me repeat it. What is the longest word in the dictionary? And the answer is smiles. Here's how. There is a mile between each S of the word. Think and answer. How many months have 28 days? Let me repeat it. How many months have 28 days? And the answer is all 12 months. Here's how. Every month has 28 days. Think and answer. A man goes out for a walk during a storm with nothing to protect him from the rain. He doesn't have a hat, a hood, or an umbrella. But by the end of his walk, there isn't a single wet hair on his head. The man doesn't have wet hair. Is it possible? And the answer is yes. Here's how. The person is bald. Think and answer. You see a boat filled with people. It has not sunk. But when you look back, you don't see a single person on the boat. Is it possible? Let me repeat it. You see a boat filled with people. It has not sunk. But when you look back, you don't see a single person on the boat. Is it possible? And the answer is,
Yes.
here's how. All the people on board are married, so there is no single person on the boat.